Park Ranger 2150, regular check and maintenance before startup. First you have to remove the rear-mounted attachment, in this case the salt and sand spreader. Disconnect the hydraulic hose at the rear left side couplings and unlock the handle at the back of the machine. A roller stand enabling one person to safely fit or remove the rear attachments is pushed under the machine. Make sure that all hydraulic hoses and the electrical plug are disconnected and that they are not stuck. Lift the roller stand with the salt and sand spreader and pull away. Remove the radiator cover by turning the two spring-loaded handles. Clean the radiator fins and cover gently. The radiator fins can be washed with clean water. Do not use hard implements when cleaning the body of the radiator, as this can damage the fins. Open the engine cover in order to check the following before starting the machine. Check the level of hydraulic oil while the oil is cold. The oil must be visible in the glass, and if no oil is visible, refill the hydraulic oil. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then place it again. Pull out again and check whether there is sufficient oil in the engine. The level must be between the two marks on the dipstick. If the oil is below the bottom mark, oil is added. Be sure that the engine contains approximately 3 litres. Check that the coolant fluid comes all the way up to the filling opening. Be aware never to remove the cap when the engine is hot. You may risk scalding or burns. It is important to clean the air filter every day, particularly if the Park Ranger 2150 is used in dusty environments. Loosen the filter housing and remove the air filter elements. Carefully blow the filter clean from the inside with compressed air. Check the fan belt, as an insufficient tightened fan belt can result in engine overheating and insufficient charging of the battery. If pressed, it should give approximately 7 to 9 mm under 10 kg pressure. Also check for cracks and tears. Close the engine cover and lock it. Put back the radiator cover and turn the two spring-loaded handles. Remove the oil cooler cover. Check for dirt and if necessary blow the cover and the cooler clean with compressed air. Be aware to clean before the machine is washed to avoid dirt sticking to it. Turn the engine on to check the tank capacity of diesel oil. Capacity is 20 litres. The control light will be switched on when 5 litres remain, sufficient for approximately 1.5 hours work. Refill diesel if necessary and always switch off the engine before refilling. Make sure to keep the area free from dirt when filling up. Dirt can cause problems in the injection pump. Do not let the engine run out of fuel, as this can create air bubbles in the fuel system. Lubricate the lubricating nipples of the articulated joint with 1 or 2 shots of good quality grease every 15 hours or so. There are 2 lubricating nipples by the A-frame and 4 by the steering cylinders. Finally, check the pressure of the tyres. Refer to the operator's manuals for optimal tyre pressure. You are now ready to start work.